This class action lawsuit involves more than 1 million tickets issued between 2012 and 2022, most of which are related to city stickers. One of the plaintiffs says he was hit with 4 tickets within weeks between 2017 and 2018, totaling $1,600. Debt, he says, cost him his job as a rideshare driver.
One day I went on the app and it was just said you can't drive until this fee is paid or you've resolved your debt with the city of Chicago.
Kyle Garchar is one of thousands of Chicago drivers that a judge ruled were systematically overcharged for city sticker and other parking violations. The lawsuit stems from an Illinois law that prohibits the city from assessing more than $250 in fines and penalties for standing, parking, or compliance violations. According to the suit, the city assessed as much as $400 for city sticker violations.
The problem with the city of Chicago is it can't help itself when it comes to ticketing revenue.
The plaintiff's attorney, J.C. Zolna, says it's been an 8-year battle in court, and at no point, he says, did the city of Chicago try to settle or compromise on this lawsuit.
The law department literally gambled with taxpayers' money and they lost. And as a taxpayer myself, I'm a Chicago resident, I just find that to be outrageous.
Zolna pointing to a November 2022 City Council Finance Committee meeting when a city attorney appears to admit that its ticketing practices were found to be in violation of the state-imposed $250 limit.
It would be illegal for us to issue these fines under the court's ruling.
So is it already illegal?
Yes.
Garchar says his fines and penalties racked up so quickly he immediately questioned the legality of the city's practices. Years later, a judge ruling in his and the class's favor.
$1,600 in tickets is, I think, insane for anyone to experience. And, when looking at it, I think I just looked at myself and said, well, this is something worth fighting for.
The city of Chicago's law department says it's evaluating all of its options, including an appeal. However, as attorneys for the plaintiff point out, an appeal would go up to the appellate court, which ruled against the city 3 years ago. Outside City Hall, Rob Hughes, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.